In this video, I'll walk you through how to use the 1xBet promo code in India, step by step, completely for educational purposes. If you've seen promo codes like VIP Bonus 233 floating around and wondered how they work, or what kind of welcome offers exist for new users, this video is for you. Let's get started. What is 1xBet and why do promo codes exist? 1xBet is a global online platform that provides access to sports prediction markets, casino games, and more, and it's especially popular in India for cricket fans and sports enthusiasts. Promo codes like VIP Bonus 233 are simply marketing tools. They give new users a way to access certain bonuses or welcome offers when creating an account. Think of it as a referral key. It doesn't change the game or your odds, it just applies a special registration condition. This video isn't about gambling. It's about understanding how promo systems work safely and transparently. Eligibility and legal context in India? Before anything, it's important to note that laws regarding online betting differ from state to state in India. Some regions regulate or restrict such activity. Always make sure to check whether your local jurisdiction allows participation before you register for any platform. If you're under 18 or if your state prohibits online gaming, you should not register or use these services. Responsible use is key. This content is for adults and educational understanding only. How to register on 1xBet India educational demo. Here's how the registration process works for demonstration purposes. Visit the official 1xBet India website or app. Click Register or Sign Up. Choose your preferred registration method by phone, email, or social media. In the field labeled Promo Code, enter VIP Bonus 233. Fill out your details accurately, name, contact info, and preferred currency, usually INR. Confirm that you are of legal age and accept the terms and conditions. Once registration is complete, you can explore the available welcome offers on the platform. Remember, this code applies only to new users. Understanding welcome offers and conditions. When you use a promo code like VIP Bonus 233, you may qualify for a welcome bonus, usually a percentage match on your first deposit or entry credits. However, these bonuses always come with conditions, minimum deposit requirements, wagering or turnover rules, expiration timelines. For example, some bonuses may require you to turn over the bonus amount several times before withdrawing funds. These are standard promotional mechanics meant to encourage activity, but they're not free money. Always read the terms and conditions before using any promo. It's crucial to approach any online gaming or betting platform with responsibility. The goal should always be entertainment, never financial pressure. If you ever feel like it's affecting your mental health, stop and seek support. Websites like BeGambleAware.org or local Indian equivalents can help provide resources for responsible participation. Remember, understanding the system is educational. Playing it is a personal choice and it always carries risk. Let's summarize. Go to the official 1xBet India platform. During registration, enter promo code VIP Bonus 233. Follow all legal guidelines in your region. Read every term carefully before you claim any offer. Promo codes simply unlock predefined bonuses. They're not a guarantee of profit. So that's how 1xBet promo codes like VIPBON US 233 work in India. If this walkthrough helped you understand the registration process and the importance of using these codes responsibly, consider giving this video a like and subscribe for more educational explainers. All links mentioned are in the description, purely for reference, not promotion. Stay informed, stay responsible, and I'll see you in the next video.